E-bike installation tutorial. Step 1. Remove the packaging. Step 2. Install the handlebar assembly. Step 3. Install headlight and front wheel assembly. Step 4. Install seat cushion and footrest. Step 5. Adjust and secure the handlebar. Step 6. Check if the installation is correct. Long press to turn it on. Turn it on and press the Add button. Short press the Add button to add the gear plus this gear minus. Gear plus gear plus. Then press this turn handle again to be effective. Long press the plus button to turn on the front and rear lights. Front and rear lights on. Long press the plus button to turn off the front and rear lights. Long press this button to turn on the cart state. Batch blinking. Cart mode on. Release cart mode. Long press the power button to shut down. Turn off.